Greetings to everyone. Hope everyone is in pink of their health. This side Suyash Tripathi. I'm a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and currently I'm working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. So today we are going to discuss how the police brutality is a violation of law. So the police forces in India are governed through the Police Act 1861. The police forces are responsible for maintaining the law and order in the society, and if these police forces or the authorities commit brutality towards the common citizens of the country, or use the brutal forces or commit violence over exceeding their powers granted to them, then it can be considered as a social stigma and the homicide of the law and order in the society. Recently, there was a case of Hira Bajania, who was a 65-year-old man. He was beaten, stripped, and sexually assaulted till he died. Similarly, there was a case in America of George Floyd, who was also beaten till he died. The similarity in both these cases was that both these people belong to the inferior community, so-called inferior community of the society. So they were beaten till they died. So there have been an increase in the instances where the police officials use the brutal force and commit the custodial violence on the people. It can be considered as a violation of law. There was a case known as which was DK Basu versus State of Bengal, West Bengal. So in this case, it was a significant case with respect to police custodial authority and one's right. So the Supreme Court laid some guidelines in this case, which have to be followed by the police during when while the police and give the rights to the people in the custody. So these guidelines are: all police officers should bear name tag clearly indicating their name and designation. Police must enter the entire details of officers of police who are conducting an interrogation in a register. The person in the custody has the right to have the medical checkup or the medical checkup within every 48 hours. Also, the police has to maintain a diary of arrest every day, of number of arrests in every day. The police officer who makes an arrest has to prepare an arrest memo that records all the details of the arrest. The copy of memo must be delivered to the person arrested. The person arrested has a right to inform her relative about the arrest. The person must take steps to inform her relatives or the friends of the arrested person about the arrest. The info of the arrest should also be sent to District Legal Aid Committee. A daily diary should be maintained of all the arrests made in a day. The arrested person has a right to get examined medically every 48 hours during his or detention. The arrested person has a right to consult a lawyer during his or interrogation. The police cannot deny the right to consult a lawyer. Now, the rights of an arrested person. So these include the restraint or detention of the person by the police without arrest is illegal. Arresting a person without a warrant, if arrested for a cognizable offence under section 41 of CRPC, the burden is on the police to prove you guilty of the offence before the court. A woman can only be arrested by a woman police officer, cannot be arrested before sunrise and after sunset. Section 49 of CRPC provides for no unnecessary restraint. The police officer cannot use force more than is needed to prevent the escape of the arrested person. The Indian Constitution protects a person from self-incrimination, means thereby a person who is compelled by the police officer to give self-incriminatory testimony is illegal. These were the rights, and if you like my video, do comment in the comment box, press the bell icon. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further updates, and click on the subscription button. And if you want me to make videos on any of the topics or recommendations are welcome. You can type the topic on which I should make the video in the comment box. I will surely make the videos on those topic in the coming time. So thank you.